Next up is the Three Peaks locking screw removal pliers. This is their latest version. I had their version 1, which I purchased, got the date codes here. This one was from 2009, and obviously the latest one is 2017. So this is, on my left here is the old version, and here's the new version. The jaw profile is different, it's more versatile. And the tips there, get that focus, there we go. Now I lent these to a coworker, and when it came back it was never the same. It's got shifted jaws now, unfortunately. Anyhow, when the new ones came out, I figured I'd be able to retire this to the home and keep this one in the workbox. New feature is the hex screw, panhead screw, which you can apply for greater leverage. It's a 5mm hex. So besides the jaw profile and the screw being different, everything else is the same length, both still made in Japan. This one is slightly tapered, more slim compared to the older version, so that could be a benefit. Well, let's take a look at the detail of the jaws. So I like the Three Peaks design. I think it's quite effective. They call theirs dia type. Dia meaning diamond type. It applies force on 3 points as opposed to their competition. Yeah. So I got their plier type as well, which I've been using for this one is 2010, so I've been using this for some time at work. Good pliers, but that'll be another video, which I hope to do soon, featuring these screw removing pliers, including this one here, which is a vintage American one. Yeah, that'll be another video. Last but not least, this little guy here. This one is from Wera. It is a 1/4" drive, 5mm Hex-bit with their new hold function feature. So that essentially allows you to hold your fasteners. Obviously it's not meant for this purpose, but just for illustration purposes. It's their it's a new addition to their hold function series. I'm going to be doing a video soon about tools that aid the mechanic in dealing with screws and preventing fasteners from falling off the tip of your tool. I'll be doing a video on that soon. So now that I've talked about all the tools that I purchased, just wanted to show this flyer that came with my purchase. So this is their New Year bargain for 2018 by Factory Gear. So as you can see, got some Nepros items. By the way, this blue color, it's their Nepros' new blue steel IP series. IP standing for ion plating. Yeah, you can buy snap-on tools from their store. Knipex, KTC, snap-on sockets, Zeal, Coke and Zeal. There's the locking pliers, Backel, PB Swiss, Yeah, they got pretty good range of Japanese and European. Viha, Stawale, Dean, Wera. Let's look at the back here. So that flashlight, if you're in North America, you probably know Astro Pneumatics has that. Some these pliers mimic, or they actually resemble tweezers in the slimness of the tips. We got more Wera items featuring their latest innovations, the hold function features. Some more Viha magic ring snap ring pliers. Some funky looking parallel jaw pliers. Pretty Swiss. Annex. Got the Vessel woody grips. Dean Orbis special collaboration. We got some Proxon, that's been there for like 10 years. Yeah. So here's something cool that Factory Gear has been doing for many years. They offer these 3-drawer chests, with each drawer having these trays that contain the tools, nice and neat. So this is appealing to the do-it-yourself weekend warrior type people in Japan. It contains most of the tools that you might need to tinker around with the cars. So this is the cool thing. So this is primarily Dean, as you can see. Dean. This is a Dean set. This is the basic set. You got like 51 items, and that's like roughly $400. 125 items, you know, etc., going up to 143. So the cool thing is build to order. You spend a few more dollars and you can get in your set, you can get ratchets from different manufacturers, as you can see there. And for screwdrivers, again with prices, additional pricing, you can get you can customize your set basically to suit your tastes. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now you can also do the gear set, the Dream. So this one contains all snap-on items in a 3-drawer chest, and that one goes for $2,300. And this one over here contains of all Nipros items in a 3-drawer chest for $2,000. So I thought that was kind of interesting, just to show it to you guys. So yeah, that covers everything from this purchase. Stay tuned for upcoming video on, as I said, on nut grip hold function type devices. Stay tuned for that. Have a good day, guys.